Let us see capitalization. It means using a capital letter. You must capitalize the following sentences such as, the first word in a sentence, the pronoun, first letter of a proper noun, that is specific name, the first letters of months, days and holidays, but not seasons. Seasons, for example, winter season, summer season. First letter of nationalities, religions, races of people and languages. A person's title. Geographic areas, cities, states, countries, mountains, oceans, rivers, etc. Historical periods. Major word in the title of a book, movie, article, etc. Please go through the resource and practice the quiz. Thank you.